He's messing with stuff. He almost ran off the road.
It's 6:30 in the afternoon, and Officer Josh Middleton with the Hazen PD is attempting to pull over this 2006 Dodge Charger for a traffic violation.
10-4. Y'all come on, I don't know what he's doing. He's throwing a bag around. We're at the end of the ramp. Shut it off! Turn it off! Turn the car off!
The driver is refusing to turn off the engine.
Turn it off!
And just like that, he takes off.
He's running. He took a left. We're going over the overpass. We're going to get back on the interstate. Nope, he's going the wrong. He's trying to turn around. I hit him.
And he hit him again.
Y'all come on, we're on the eastbound ramp. He's still taking off on me.
The driver now tries to get away by driving in reverse.
I've done pitted him twice. He keeps spinning around in this dirt. We're right here. We keep hitting. Come on. Hands! Hands! Show me your hands! Shut it off!
He's got the driver at gunpoint.
Hands!
But instead of giving up, the driver simply revs the engine.
Get it, ladies!
Sergeant Clayton Dillion arrives on the scene.
Move, cross the road! SO's taking off again.
And there he goes again, taking off in a cloud of dust.
Clayton, I can't see. So we're going back across overpass. Passing Loves. He's got rear end, looks like loose. He's going to lose it here in a minute. Clayton, come around me. Come on.
Sergeant Dillion is now taking over as the lead car in this pursuit.
Cookie, let Clayton around.
The Charger, with its back axle now broken, is struggling to maintain control.
Okay, so we're coming up on Tampa Road. He's in bad shape.
Cookie, let me around you. I've already got damage from him hitting me. Whoever's coming at us, watch him. He's already hit me twice.
Yeah, boy, I got the bike set up right here.
All right, Clayton, back off.
Up ahead, an officer awaits with stop sticks.
Take cover, take cover.
He swerves to avoid the spikes and hits the truck.
He missed him, he hit a truck.
And still, the car keeps on going, but not for long.
2-1, dog. Take him out now. I'm on the phone with him. Hey, took him out.
Hands! Hands! Sorry,
They now have the driver surrounded at gunpoint.
get your man! Get off! You lay the down! Alright. Clear the vehicle, Cookie! Clear the vehicle! Well, that was stupid. I know, bro.
And he is placed under arrest.
Why didn't you stop? Hey, you got felony fleeing and a whole bunch of other charges. Will I be able to get out tonight? No, hell no. Turn it in.